you got permission. So let's start exercise 6. We are about to add a query wizard. We need to create a query wizard. This is ICT book page 72, exercise 6. I'm in home tab. Normally I'm in home tab. Click on the create tab. But before you click on the create tab, you have to select your table. Highlight your table. Click somewhere on your table. Okay, because you create a wizard from the table. Click on the table. Click on the create tab and the query wizard. This option exercise 6. Click on the query wizard. And then he asks you a question. You want to make a simple query wizard? I think yes, it's simple. We will create like a simple query wizard. And then go OK. And then he asks you a question. Which kind of field do you want to add? I have the game ID. I have the game name, number of players, the ball size, and the ball color. Do I want all of those fields? I click on those two arrows to add everything. Or I can do it one by one. I can do it one by one. As you can see, the right arrow or the left arrow. So you want to add everything. Or add all of these fields. And then go next. Show details. Yes, I want to show details. Go next. The query wizard name. I have my message grade 6. Please give me a chance. Muhammad Sadiq. Harmful. No, it's not, yeah, Muhammad. It's not harmful. The Microsoft Access become with Microsoft package. I send it. It didn't open with you? We have to do it. You have to create it now. It didn't open. I don't need it. Okay. Muhammad Alauddin. I cannot open the mic. Write and I will read your message if it's urgent message. 6, pay attention, please. Go, yeah, Muhammad Al Farouk. Go. Repeat it again. Okay, yeah, Lena. I click on the table. I select my table, yeah, Lena, with my mouse. I didn't open it. I just click it. And then I go create tab. And then I click query wizard. This option, yeah, Lena. We are about to create a query wizard. And then I click OK. And then I add the field, yeah, Lena. The field. I want to add the whole field, the ID, the game ID. We add those field, Yelena, in the homework, page 71, if you remember. It was in the homework, page 71, in the year 2025, in the last year, grade 6. We do this together, if you remember. So I took that as an example, grade 6 for you. These are, we will try to filter it and create a query wizard from it. And then I do next, and then I do next, and then I do finish. Now I got like a query wizard. It's over here. It exists here. These are the queries. I can view my record. I can view my record. I can go to number 2, number 3, number 4. Every ball become like a query wizard. I have a basketball. I have a water polo. I add only 2 record. So if you add the whole record that mentioned in the big 71, you can see the whole database. Well, it was about like basketball, water polo, handball, soccer ball, golf, American football, baseball, and so on. So exercise 6, we added in a query wizard. And then we may be able to view it. We can see the name, we can see the other field. As we can see over here, we can see everything. We can see the field of the ID, the game ID, the game name, number of players, the ball size, and the ball color, because I add all of those fields. These are queries, and it's named. It's named homework page 71. It's already named. Okay, grade 6. So that's all about creating a query wizard. If I want to modify a new record, I click on this arrow. Okay, I don't want to make short, long video. I can resize my fields. Make it bigger a little bit. So I can read the name of the field, game, number of players, game name, game ID. This is a query grade 6, that's it. This is our query wizard. We can do right click on it and we can switch design view. Switch design view. I can see everything inside my query. I can see the game ID. If I want to hide it, I click on this, I remove the tick. I can show it and I can hide it. The game ID, I can show it and I can hide it. Okay, this is our query wizard design. I switch to my design view. Okay, I switched to my design view. I can go back to datasheet view. You work with datasheet view and design view. Do not go SQ Allegro 6. Datasheet view and design view. Datasheet view and design view. This is our query wizard. I can switch back to the datasheet view and I can view the field ID, game ID, game number, number of players, and the ball size. Oh, sorry. So I can switch back to the view, design view. If I want to hide, the game ID. I remove the tick. Let me go back. Datasheet view. The field is like hidden. I hide it. It's not appear because I hide it in grid 6. Now I can see only 4 fields: the ID, the game number, the game name, number of players, and the ball size. I hide it. If I go back, design view, I can show it again from here. I can tick it and I can see it. I got like extra options in grid 6 over here, the property sheet. I don't want to make you confused with a lot of information, but for now, I just want you to switch between design view and datasheet view. When I click run, I can run it. When I click run, automatically I switch back to datasheet view. So I can switch between both view. Okay, now let me stop recording. I will check your messages. And I will let you share. I know you want to share. Mohammed Abdul Muttalib, go يا محمد. Mohammed Hassan. It's a kind of database, yeah, Mohammed Hassan. But for now, you should learn about those two. Datasheet view and design view. Switch between both. Go يا Mohammed, go. So that's it, Tigris 6. I will stop recording and I will let